Imagine an AI so advanced it could design the world's next skyscrapers, rockets, or even your next smartphone, all on its own. We're not talking about a simple tool here. We're talking about a paradigm shift in human history. That's not science fiction. That's what Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, is betting on. Today, we're diving into his bold new venture, Prometheus, an AI startup aiming to create what Bezos calls an artificial general engineer. And trust us, this could change every industry on the planet. From the way we build our homes to how we reach the stars, the implications are staggering. We've seen AI write code and paint art, but engineering physical reality, that's the final frontier. But before we get rolling, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop your thoughts in the comments, because the future of engineering is about to get wild and you're going to want to weigh in. Let's unpack what's happening. Jeff Bezos, already famous for transforming how we shop and how we get our toothpaste delivered by drone, is stepping even further into the future. We're witnessing the next evolution of his legacy. According to reports from the New York Times and CNBC, Bezos' vision for Prometheus is clear. Build AI tools that aren't just assistants but groundbreaking inventors in their own right. The artificial general engineer. This isn't just a side project, it's a massive investment in the future of infrastructure. Bezos is applying the same relentless innovation he used for e-commerce and space travel to the very core of how we design things. Now, what does artificial general engineer really mean? We've all heard of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a system that can solve any intellectual task a human can. But Bezos is focused on something more tangible. He wants AI to handle the end-to-end engineering of physical products, from the first sketch on a digital napkin all the way to prototypes, testing, and final design. It's AGI with a hard hat and a wrench. Think about it. Whole industries like cars, consumer electronics, healthcare devices, and construction could see fundamental shifts. You wouldn't just automate repetitive processes, you'd automate invention itself. We're talking about a factory of ideas. In the traditional model, engineering is a series of bottlenecks. Prometheus aims to dissolve those barriers. Imagine a world where a product goes from concept to reality in days, not years. That's the promise of the artificial engineer. Traditionally, engineering is incredibly complex. Teams of specialists spend years designing a new airplane or medical device. Every step requires human problem-solving, creativity, and an avalanche of data. We've all seen how slow that can be. What Bezos and Prometheus are doing is building an AI brain that could, in theory, take a vague problem, like design a more efficient solar panel, and produce a working prototype, complete with all the detailed blueprints. But it goes beyond just blueprints. It's about manufacturing instructions, supply chain logistics, and material sourcing. The AI understands the constraints of the real world, physics, cost, and availability, and integrates them instantly. It could simulate how that solar panel performs in the Gobi Desert versus the Swiss Alps, adjusting the design for maximum efficiency before a single physical component is ever built. We're talking about perfect design on the first try. Already, Prometheus has approximately 150 employees, and these aren't just any engineers or programmers. They've recruited the best minds from aerospace, robotics, and biology. The talent density is through the roof. The company is co-led by Vic Bajaj, who co-founded Verily, Alphabet's health-focused research group. His expertise at the intersection of biology and data is a key signal for the company's direction. We're looking at a multidisciplinary approach. In November, the New York Times reported on Prometheus, and since then, they've secured a jaw-dropping $12 billion in funding. Investors aren't just dipping their toes in, they're diving into the deep end. That puts the startup at an eyebrow-raising $41 billion valuation before their main product even hits the market. Investors clearly see game-changing potential that could dwarf the valuation of traditional engineering giants. In the world of AI, there's a ton of hype, but Prometheus is aiming for something orders of magnitude more complex. This isn't just generating an image. It's about giving AI the ability to make concrete things in our world better, faster, and cheaper. Imagine an AI that finds a completely new, more sustainable way to build bridges, using less concrete but providing more strength. Or creates medical devices suited for remote locations and emerging economies, all with minimal human oversight. We're building a more equitable world. Sustainability is at the heart of this vision. By optimizing every gram of material, we can reduce the carbon footprint of our entire built environment. The artificial engineer doesn't have the biases or habits of human designers. It only has the data and the goal. Now, many of you will wonder, is this just some billionaire moonshot, or can Prometheus actually deliver? We believe the team is ready, and the physics-first approach they are taking is the right one. It's not about fantasy, it's about compute power. Bajaj brings an approach that connects biology, health, and advanced machine learning. That means the company likely has a head start in areas like biotech engineering and medical device development, where the data is most complex. And with Bezos' resources, not just money, but a deep Rolodex and willingness to take big risks, Prometheus isn't just another AI startup. It's a credible moonshot backed by the man who revolutionized logistics twice. We shouldn't bet against him. Traditional AI has focused on narrow problems because human invention is messy. Designing a bridge isn't just about load, it's about pulling together knowledge from physics, chemistry, and electronics into a single, cohesive spark. Every variable, from the humidity in the air to the microscopic imperfections in steel, must be accounted for. The artificial general engineer will have to pull together knowledge from every field imaginable and do it with a kind of creative spark. If they pull it off, Prometheus could be the first to turn science fiction into reality. We're talking about AI that doesn't just copy, it innovates. It could discover designs that human intuition would never stumble upon. It's a true creative partner. If this rolls out, the very nature of work in engineering and design will shift. Humans would become more like project directors, steering AI toward big goals and ethical use, rather than spending time on rote calculations. We're elevating human potential. This raises the big questions about trust, control, and the future of human expertise. Are we ready to let AI lead the way? Who is responsible if an AI-designed bridge fails? These are the questions we must answer as we step into this new age. Let's dig deeper. Prometheus isn't just about drawing, it's about simulating Newtonian physics at a level never seen before. We're talking about digital twins so accurate that physical testing becomes almost redundant. Efficiency redefined. Most CAD software today waits for humans to test. Prometheus's AI will test millions of variations in seconds. It can optimize for weight, strength, and thermal resistance simultaneously. This is the end of the good enough design. We're talking about ending the prototype valley of death. That's the gap where great ideas die because prototyping is too expensive. We understand the pain of innovation. Prometheus is the cure for that stagnation. If Prometheus can automate the design for manufacturing, a small startup could build hardware at the speed of software companies. This democratizes invention. You won't need $1 billion lab to change the world. You'll just need an idea. This also has massive geopolitical implications. The nation that masters automated engineering will dominate the next century. Innovation speed becomes the ultimate competitive advantage. It's not just about workers, it's about the smartest AGE. We're seeing a race to build the first artificial general engineer, much like the space race of the 20th century. The winner will set the standards for global manufacturing, energy, and defense. The stakes couldn't be higher for us all. But there's another layer we haven't touched on, the legal and intellectual property landscape. When an AI can invent 1,000 new components in a day, how do we handle patents? We're entering an era where the speed of legal filing must match the speed of invention. Traditionally, patent law assumes a human inventor. But with Prometheus, the inventor is a cluster of GPOs. This will force a fundamental rewrite of our legal codes. Organizations will need to adapt or find their intellectual property irrelevant. We're seeing the birth of a new legal specialty, AI IP coordination. It's about protecting the prompts and the objectives rather than just the final result. For firms in legal and construction, this shift is coming faster than you think. Finally, let's talk about the centaur engineer. Just as the best chess players are now human AI teams, the most successful firms will be those that master human AI collaboration. Humans bring the empathy, the ethics, and the why, while Prometheus brings the how. This isn't the end of the engineer. It's the birth of the super engineer. We see a future where you don't spend 80% of your time on calculations, but on directing the AI towards solving the world's most pressing challenges. It's about scaling human ingenuity. For the next generation, engineering won't just be about math, it will be about vision. The artificial general engineer is the ultimate force multiplier. It turns a single mind into a global design studio. This is our moment to leap forward. We must also consider the materials themselves. Prometheus could discover carbon-neutral materials we've missed, designing structures that are stronger, lighter, and better for the planet. We're not just changing designs, we're changing the atoms of our world. Take aerospace, for example. AI-optimized designs often look organic, like bones. They're more efficient than anything a human would draw with a ruler and compass. We're learning from nature, but at the speed of silicon. Every cooling channel, every structural support is optimized for the exact physics of the mission. No wasted material, no redundant parts. This is the leanest engineering in human history, enabled by the artificial general engineer. And it doesn't stop with rockets. Or consider your next smartphone. What if an AI could optimize the battery life and cooling based on your exact usage patterns? We're looking at products that are perfectly tailored to human needs. Imagine a device that evolves its own internal architecture to stay cool and fast for years. We're entering an era where the objects we use every day are as smart as the people who once built them. It's a fundamental reimagining of our world. In healthcare, this means personalized medical devices, a heart valve or a prosthetic designed specifically for your unique biology. The artificial general engineer doesn't just build things, it builds solutions for individuals. We're leaving mass production behind for mass personalization. Construction is another industry prime for revolution. Prometheus could finally bring the efficiency of a factory to the building site. We could see the end of the housing crisis through AI-optimized, low-cost modular homes built in weeks. By automating the complex engineering of modular systems, we can create high-quality, beautiful living spaces that are accessible to everyone. We're not just building houses, we're building futures. This is the empathy of engineering in action. Personally, we see this as one of the most ambitious and world-changing moves in tech since the original launch of Amazon itself. Bezos is betting on the very fabric of our reality. Are you ready to join us on this journey? The age of the artificial engineer is just getting started. It's a leap that requires us to rethink our careers, our laws, and our relationship with technology. But the reward? A world designed better than we ever thought possible. So, what do you think? Is an artificial general engineer even possible? Should we be excited or worried? Personally, we're choosing optimism. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We're listening. If you want to keep up with breakthroughs like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. We need your voice to shape this future, and if you want to innovate, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. We're diving into the future every week, and you won't want to miss what's next. We'll see you in the next one as we explore the age of the artificial engineer. Don't miss the related video right here in the corner. Dive deeper into how AI is changing industries today instead of tomorrow. Get ahead of the curve. We're excited to see where this goes, and we hope you are too. Until next time, keep dreaming big and engineering even bigger. We're signing off.